Zombie apocalypse.
What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. This one's going to be a little bit different. I actually have a stream deck now, so I can control every little thing that I'm doing, and I'm so excited. But yeah, so figured that I would play another game that I've never played before, and this one, when it came out, I was just getting into my, delving into my computer, whatever, I was just getting started on the PC, downloading all these games and stuff, and I have a laptop, so I was very curious about, towers and stuff, and then I saw this game, and it intrigued me, but the problem was it was like $50. I didn't have the money, so I just decided to wait until it finally came out, on a sale or something, and months and months and months, well, more like a year and a half or so has gone by, and I came home from work yesterday and turned on my computer, and sure enough, Epic Games reminded me, or well, notified me that it was free. So I was like, hell yeah, man, let's download it, and we're gonna do a video on it today. So with that being said, let's just let's get into it, shall we? Welcome to PC Building Simulator. Yeah, I know everybody's already, done a lot of videos on this one, but I'm gonna do one. So like I said, it seemed interesting to me, so I feel like I should share it with you guys. I don't have anything. How to build a PC, free build. I don't know, let's go to how to build. Why not? Let's see what that does. I like the music, man. This is really cool. In this tutorial, you will learn about the main components of a PC and how they go together. Oh. I kind of already know that. You know what? Let's just back out. No. Exit. Seriously? Okay, fine. First, we need to remove the side panels of the case so that we can install the components inside. Right, rotate camera. Okay. Wow. Okay. Well, I can't do none of that, so remove that. Click and hold remove side panel. Oh, okay. So I've got to... Okay. Great. Up next, we'll install the power supply unit, PSU. This provides the power to all the components. It lives behind a PSU mount, which needs to be removed before the PSU can be installed. Okay. Get PSU from inventory. I'm guessing that's the inventory. Well, obviously that's the PSU. Cool. Is this really going to take you step by step through each individual piece? At the heart of the PC is the motherboard of all the major components connected to it. Right? That guy. So you got... wow, there's a lot to this. I mean, I already know what all this is, but... So you've got your RAM slots here. That's your memory. You got your CPU socket. That's your processor. Your chipset. Now that's not something I know about. Chipsets are processors. Chipsets are processors that support the CPU and manage how it works. Every PCU module has its own. Good God. Has its own bespoke chipset that is designed to get the most from it. Okay. I/O ports. Input, output. Okay. PCI slots. The PCI slots are very high-speed connections to the motherboard for PCI cards. The most common PCI cards are graphics cards, but can also be Wi-Fi or sound cards. Okay. Standoffs. Motherboards are screwed to the case using standoffs, which hold the motherboard away from the metal of the case. That makes sense. You don't want it to short. This connector, well, front panel headers, this connector is where you attach all of the ports and buttons on your case to the motherboard. Cool. Is this literally just gonna... Okay, you know what? Let's install it. We all know what that is. And now we put the screws in. Yeah! This music is badass. Connect motherboard 8-pin ATX CPU power series power from the PSU to... Okay. Cool. Cable management. Look at that. Cable management. I'm a freaking boss. Alright. Connect that. We can connect it there. How's that cable management looking? It's freaking flawless. No, wait. That's got to be... Install the PCU. The central processing unit is the PC's brain. It performs calculations based on information from some components and passes the result to others. God, I love the music. Okay. Right. So we go into the inventory. Sorry if I'm super close to the mic. PCU right here. And then you add it, and then you drop that down. And usually there's a plastic piece right there that when you click it down, it pops out. It's like, and it's very satisfying. The CPU gets very hot, and it needs to be cooled by a cooler. First, we apply thermal paste to the CPU to improve the connectivity between it and the cooler. Speaking of it being hot, it's hot in here. Right, so... Now we're going to install the CPU cooler. There are two main cooling types, air or water. Water. Why would you go with... Okay, I don't want the air. Yeah. Dude. They're busting out a whole rap for this. Oh man, guys, so I hate to break it to you, but I've got to turn the air conditioner on. It's been off for like 10 minutes, but I live in Florida. It's hot as shit here. So there's going to be a little bit of a hum. I'm sorry. I hope that's not too distracting, but it is what it is. You know, we'll turn my mic down a little bit. How about that? Hopefully I didn't just screw everything up by turning that down, but... Okay, so the next important component is the graphics processing unit, the GPU. GPUs are often mini computers in themselves with their own processors and memory to calculate the complex visuals of today's games. Right, and that's going to be this guy. That's not a 3090. No, it needs a 3090. Blech. Whatever. The fact that they're not giving me the option to put a 3090 in here is complete bullshit. Okay? Needs a 3090 all the way. Every computer needs a 3090. Next is the memory, RAM. Crank that motherfucker all the way up to 32. That's what I'm running. I don't know if you can get higher than that. You probably can. I'm probably just an idiot. Next is the memory or RAM. Random access memory. RAM is very fast memory that the CPU uses to hold the programs that you are running on the PC. RAM comes in sticks, and many of the same types can be combined to give the PC more memory to use. So basically, what RAM does, because they're not going to give you the simple version, is it's memory that the computer uses to remember exactly how many pages or files or whatever you have open on your computer. So you could have, like, you know, I mean, if you have a lot of RAM, then you could open up every file on your computer. Maybe not every. I'm probably going to get a lot of lashback on this, but you could open up a lot of files, games, you know, different things on your computer and leave them open, and the computer will remember that and keep them there. If you don't have a whole lot of RAM, then the computer will say, "Oh, I don't remember what you was doing 10 minutes ago. We can't open this." You know what I mean? So the more RAM, the better. Which is where I crank mine up to 32 gigs and also added in a 2 terabyte SSD. I don't like hard drives. There's room for failure with hard drives, and with SSD, that room for failure is minute. So let's add in the RAM stick. You're only giving me one. It's probably 16 gigs. Can I look at this? Is there... Can I zoom? No, I can't zoom. I want to look at that right there. It would be nice if it would tell me exactly what this chip is. So yeah, open that, open that, open that, open that. And then you click one in. And then you click the other in. The first major component is the hard disk drive, the HDD. The hard drive stores all the data for the operating system, the programs, and the user's photos, music, and videos. They're not using an SSD. That's shit. Anyway. Yeah. Ugh. I gotta have a shot on that one. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Gotta be nice and lubricated to even fathom putting this in somebody's computer. To some people, hard drives are no big deal, but to me, no, SSDs all the way. Just because I'm that guy. So we put it in the tray, and then we slide the tray back in, and then we put the screw in, and the cables, and we connect it, and we connect it. All the components of the PC give out heat. Case fans will help keep the temperature down by moving the hot air out of the case. Really? Alright. I really hope you're going to give me more than one. Alright, so we put that in. Wait. Okay. Dude, the music to this is badass. Wait. Okay, so we take the cable, plug it in down y'all. Now we just need to relate all the covers to protect all the delicate components. Which one? This one. And then this one. Now we need to plug it in the cables and power on the PC. Let's do it. It's very wonky. Oh. Now we turn it on. Yes! And it brings you back to the main screen. That is dope. Okay. 15 minutes of that, and I'm sure I'll cut some of that shit out. So, free build. Why not? Ah, Razer. Okay, well, we'll go to PC Builder. I'm sorry, have I said that I love the music in this? Okay. In this mode, you can build PCs using all the current parts included in the game. All parts can be found in your inventory, which can be accessed via the shelving or by pressing I. We recommend you play career mode first to get a feel for the controls. Oh my god, I can walk around? Are you serious? No way! Dude, this is dope! Exterma Puck. It looks like that says cuck, but we won't even get into that. See, yeah. See all that water tubing, the intricate tubing? Like that is so cool to me. I can turn it off. Okay. Can I go back and play career mode? Change. What's career mode? Oh. Okay. I'm going right back to the same thing I was in. I guess I'm just a little bit of, you know, a dumbass. I don't know. So, let's... to begin, go to your PC by the doorway and open the email program on the desktop. You've got mail. Wow. No fucking way. So that's my background on my personal computer. That is really cool. So they've taken the background off of my computer and put it in the game. That's dope. So go to there. We go to email. What we got? Welcome to your new PC shop. Hey, thanks for taking over the PC shop for me. Sorry it's not in a better state. A few things. The company isn't doing very well, and there is no money in the bank account. The rent and energy bills come out monthly, so make sure you have enough money for them. I had a job on the go, which should help with... Yeah, I had a job on the go, which should help with the rent. See the email below. Remember to use your thermal paste when putting in a CPU. I almost forgot, and the PC's overheat. So I think you're all set up. It's just... Excuse me. So I think you're all set up. It's your company now, so run it how you see fit. I hope you do better than I did. Lots of love, Uncle Tim. P.S. I had to borrow 15 bucks for fuel. You know how it is. Yeah, no, it's cool. You just take money out of me. Fuck you, Tim. Uncle or not. Discard that. Hi, Tim. I hope you can help me. My computer has been running slower than usual, and I think I might have clicked on something I shouldn't have. Do I have a virus? Labor $100, budget 0. Remove viruses. Okay. Huh? Okay. It's not plugged in, so let's plug the PC in. For this job, you need to run a virus scan. Press 3 or the cable button and plug the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and the power into the back. Ah! You know what? Let's just do it all manually, because I hate using hotkeys. It's aggravating as all hell. Now you need to put your USB drive into the back of the PC so you can install the virus scanner. Press 1 or the install button to go into your inventory and select the USB drive. It plugs into the USB slot on the back of the PC. Right, so we just go use that. We're going to pop that in there like that. Now press P for the power button. Yeah, so you know what? Let's just Cool. Install virus scanner to Omega OS, the operating system of choice. I'm sorry. The fucking what? Windows is where it's at. Good sir, thank you. You know what? Let me take that back. Linux is where it's at, but not everything is compatible with Linux. Linux is very intricate. We'll put it that way. DP browser right here. Anyway, welcome to Omega OS operating system choice. Click on Add or Remove Programs to install the virus scanner, and don't forget to restart the PC after it is installed. Add or remove programs. You actually have to double click it like a real program. That's fucking dope. Can I make it bigger? Ah! I can. Okay. Let's see. Lighting, music player, select wallpaper through the shop, email. What? Fire scanner. There it is. Excuse me. Yeah, obviously. Why not? It's the whole point. Cool. So now I'm guessing we go into the virus scanner and we start scanning. Ah! Warnings! Files found! Because there's not supposed to be one file on this computer. Not one. They're all supposed to be gone. Infected, 358. Clean files. You have removed all viruses and the PC is ready to be returned to the client. Pick the PC up in the right mouse button and place in the delivery area. Alright, well. Exit. Now see, they should have made it where you actually have to click Windows and then hit power and then hit shut down and then it brings you back out. That would have been really cool. But, you know, what am I gonna do, huh? You know what? Let's place in delivery area. P. So, no, don't we have to like? No, turn that off. How do we unplug everything? Don't we have to unplug shit? Place in the delivery area. Okay. There we okay. Took me a second. Oh. Ha! No. So I pick it up. Collect your reward. Great. Now you just need to collect your pay and go to your email and hit collect. Cool. Email. How you can help me? Blah blah. Collect. I got $100. Wow. $100 for doing that. If that's like legit, you know, if that's about the rate for getting your viruses removed, I don't know. I do it myself, but I mean, I've never had to. I don't even have a virus software on my computer because, well, I'm not stupid. Cool. Let's see. Virus scan. Let's see. Discard that. Hello. I was building a PC earlier and I forgot which power supply to buy to support the 3080. I just added. It's something someone who is not using my new Cloud Notes app may say. Have you been forgetting things? Needing somewhere to note what you're working on? You could try Cloud Notes. It's a great app where you can write notes. It should be with the other apps to install. Oh, it's helpful. P.S. I've also given you access to a prototype I'm working on, which will enable this app in your inventory too. There is a lot to this game. Is this the music that we have? No way. This is number 6. That is dope. Okay. All right. I'm with it. I'm with it. I'm ready to see what this game's got to offer. This is really fucking cool. The fact that it took my Frambo background and put it up there, that's dope. I can change wallpapers. I can use my wallpaper or preloaded that they gave me. Dragons. Vandals. Trinity. Divine Squadron. Team Nova. That's kind of cool right there. No. Fort Fight? Oh, fucking please. Fort Fight. Oh, Fortnite. The game that keeps the kids off the good games. Yeah, hats off to Fortnite, because you guys saved the rest of us. Thank you. Strike back, go! This right here, I know it says like it's got like a bush fight, flight, so whatever, but it has very Firewatch vibes to it, which is really cool. I know there's a couple of you watching that will understand that or know what Firewatch is. Paradox. Yeah, okay, so let's get out of this. I have no emails. What am I supposed to do here? Are you kidding me? That's the microphone I'm using. Like legit, the only difference is this one is completely red. That's the original. I've got the full RGB one. Like that's really cool, man. Alright, so you finished all the available jobs for today. Leave through the door and come back tomorrow for more jobs. Alright, so kick rocks, you're telling me. Ending the day. Here you can end your day and advance to tomorrow. Right now you have no active jobs, but normally it's worth checking. You've ordered any parts you need to order tomorrow before going home. Grammar, guys. With any good game comes good grammar, and I'm gonna tell you what, this isn't good grammar. Either I read that totally fucked up, or this is just totally fucked up. I don't know, but we're just gonna get out of it. A calendar. Okay. Let's just go to work, because that's all there is to do. Ooh, that's pretty. Tim's Red Hot Repairs. Hence the microphone. You must be level 5 to change your peripherals. Yeah. Oh goodness. Okay, hi. My graphics card has fired itself, and it needs to be replaced with the same one, please. An NVIDIA GTX 970. Maybe one of those sheen ones. No! Bad! I can drop it around first thing in the morning. Okay, replace graphics card, install Sheen GeForce Gamer or better. Okay, if that's what you want. Customer's PC will take a day to arrive, so end the current day by going to the workshop door. Go to the shop on your PC to buy the components you need, and you can have them delivered at the same time as the PC. Wait, I'm fucking sorry. Go to the shop on your PC to buy the components you need, and you can have them delivered at the same time as the client's PC. Okay. 2018. It's really showing its age, huh? In transit. Okay. Wait, I need to go to the shop. Let's see. Memory, storage, graphics cards. Storage, power supplies, cables, switch results, processors, cooling, motherboards, memory, graphics cards. What do they want? A 970? Is that what he said? 960, 950, 960, 960, 960, 950. 1050 Ti, 1050 Ti, 970. Okay. Sheen GeForce 750, 970 gamer, Sheen GeForce 970, XL. He didn't say XL, he just said Sheen GeForce G. Okay. It's. I clicked it. Cart. Use the delivery options to choose when best to receive your components. Often is better to pay faster delivery than wait days to receiving things. I just need one. It's $265. Next day delivery, $30. Same day delivery. Are you kidding me? I actually have to deal with literal delivery times on this? That's insane. Alright, well, end day. Customer PC is here to pick it up. Right? Yeah, I get that. Go to work. New parts arrived. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I ordered one graphics card. I'm sorry, but it doesn't take... It really doesn't take that many boxes. I'm very into switching it over. I'm sorry, I can't help it. Let's pick that up. We're going to place it there. We're going... No. We need to go to here. We're going to take that. No. Yeah! Oh, fuck, dude. I'll tell you what. The controls for this are absolutely... I really hope I'm doing this right. This guy's an idiot for letting me fuck with his computer. PC can boot to OS. Replace graphics card. Install Sheen GeForce or better. PC status, missing parts. Right. Install graphics cards. Sheen GeForce 97 Gamer. Did I really buy it? That's the broken one. Sell that. Install that one. I don't know if I've done this right. So let's just, yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. I think I should have taken out this shroud. I have no friggin' clue. My eyes are burning so bad. PC can boot to OS. So alright, I did what he told me to do. Incomplete case. How do I add the case back? That's... oh my god. Move it, install. Tools, process, coolant, memory board, power supplies, cables, case, fans, PC parts. Used. Okay, so I literally have to go into the inventory and click it. Okay, well that's fine, I guess.
I told you that the stuff
can't. Okay. All right, cool. So let's. I'm sorry, I just unplugged that without turning it off. That's a bitch. What else is there to do? I mean, hell, I've only done this 38 minutes. Let's see what else we can do. Let's do one more. Why not? Let's see. Email. Here at Megacorp, we know that life doesn't always run smoothly, so we provide a free overdraft for all your customers. Your free overdraft limit is $1,000. Thank you. Hi, my graphics card has fired itself. Collect. Cool. I need some more space to back up my files. Could you install a 500 gigabyte HDD? I'll bring it around first thing in the morning. No! No! I stated my preference on storage earlier. I don't do HDD. I don't do it. I'm sorry. I'll do SD or SSD, but I'm not doing HDD. Sorry, just doesn't work because you know, if I put an HDD in there 6 months to a year down the road, there's a good possibility he'll be bringing it back to me to fix it because it stops spinning. Yeah, let's do that. Let's make some more money. Why not? Let's go. Come on. Yeah, I'll accept. What do we have here? Could you have a look at my PC, please? It isn't running as well as it did when I first bought it, and I've probably not been taking the best care of it. It looks a bit dirty. Could you give it a once over, please? If you can, I'll bring it around tonight, ready for you in the morning, please. P. Sherman, 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney. Ah! Reference. Cool. In transit. I just wanted to say thank you for fixing my PC. It's booting faster than it has in years. I didn't realize your uncle had gone away. Looks like the business is in good hands, though. Thanks again, Gary. Aww. Shut up. I did my best. I always do. Okay, so now we got everything on its way. We gonna exit out of here and yeah, end the day. I got 2 computers. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna leave it here. This is actually there's actually a lot more to this game than I thought there was. So I'm probably gonna do every other week. I'll probably do like a Subnautica video. I'll probably do a Subnautica video on this one, or on. I'm gonna start over. I'll probably do a Subnautica video 1 week, and then I'll do another video on this one the next week. Yeah, this is really cool. I honestly thought it was just gonna be like, hey, put this piece here, put this piece there, you know, buy the case, buy this, buy that, put it all together, ship it off, you're done. But no, this actually has missions, so it teaches you a very vague, you know, portion of what you should look at or what you should do. So yeah, this is going to be really cool. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it on this one. So I really appreciate it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, let me know, you know, if this one's cool. For the one guy that told me to play Scum, it's coming. Just be patient. It's actually downloading right now as I'm recording. So next video will be out within a couple of days or next Monday. I'm gonna try to amp up my my video output. You know, I should be putting out more than one a week. That's just the way it should be. If Jacksepticeye can put out 2 a day for close to 5.5 years, then I should be able to do at least more than 1 a week. I just get lazy sometimes. You know, I go to work, I come home, I don't feel like recording, I just lay down and go to sleep. So, but that's going to change. Hopefully. Don't hold me to it, but I'm going to put a good effort into it. So I don't want to promise you guys anything. Anyway, I really appreciate it, guys. Yeah, I'm Trash Panda. This has been PC Building Simulator, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.